Hello dear friends. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw your crypto funds from your Trust wallet into your PayPal account. First go to the website boltchange.com. In the first block, choose the cryptocurrency you would like to withdraw. In our case, it's USDT TRC20. In the second block, choose PayPal. Then enter the amount to cash out. On the next page for the first section, enter your PayPal account address. On the second section, enter any contact email from you and press Continue. On this page, please carefully check all the details you just entered. Agree with all terms of use and click on the Confirm button. Copy the USDT TRC20 address. Go into your Trust Wallet account. Click USDT. Paste copied address and the enter amount you would like to cash out and press Next. Press Confirm. After confirming and sending your crypto to the address of BoltChange, get back to the website and click on the button I have paid. Please note that BoltChange transactions usually takes from 10 to 60 minutes. Please be patient to receive your funds.